To sign up as a patient organisation on the Share4Rare platform is a two-part process. Initially, you'll need to navigate to patient organisation pages on the website. Here, you can find the online form, which is the first part of the process. This section in the online form at the start is all about your patient organisation. You'll need to include the name, the ID or the national code of the patient organisation, which country it's based in, and we'll need to know a valid website address from you, as this will be on the website. Please include a telephone number and also all the diseases that your patient organisation represents. This part of the form is about the contact person who will be involved on the platform. We'll need their name and their family or surname, a valid email address, and here you can include any information that you'd like to send us. This area here is where we need your consent to ensure that you're happy with how we deal with your information. You'll also need to download a PDF here. This is the PDF that we need you to complete so that we have legal information about you. Please print out this PDF and complete it. You'll need the patient organisation name and your ID number, the country, the diseases your patient organisation represents, and your legal representative and their ID number. We also need a valid email address and a contact telephone number in case we need to get in touch. You'll need to complete this information in the box here also. This is about the person designated by the legal representative of your patient organisation to access the Share4Rare platform. We'll need their surname and their first name and their ID number and the position that they hold within your patient organisation. Please look at this area as well. Here you will have to consent to our terms and conditions, and you have a link here to our privacy policy and our terms of use. This section here is quite important because we need some extra information from you. We'll need details of either your national card number or your passport, and you can find out what to do here exactly. But this needs to be included with the PDF when you send it back to us. Finally, we'll need a signature of the president of the patient organisation and also the person who's actually going to be on the platform. Please complete the city and the country and the date. At the end of this form, you can find out the information about how we use your information. Once this is completed, you'll need to rescan it in and send it to us at info@share4rare.org. We hope you found this video useful, and we look forward to receiving your application shortly.